How to view and monitor battery usage for today since last charge on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, you will see battery monitor is here. If you want to view, click on this icon. If you want to view seen last charger, click on seen last charger. You will see view from here, seen last charger. After view seen last charger, click on this icon and click on today. If you want to view today, you will see. After view, go back to home screen. So that's how you can view and monitor battery usage for today or seen last charger on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.